This 2018 Jayco Jay Flight 38BHDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, DVD player, microwave, refrigerator, water heater, oven, awning, TV, Slideout, TV antenna, Skylight, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Jay Flight 38BHDS is 7,960 pounds. This 2018 Jayco Jay Flight 38BHDS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.